Hello students, this is Ramesh Kumar Polepalli. Today you are going to learn an activity which is 9.3 of light reflection refraction chapter. For that we have considered a concave mirror to find the focal length of a concave mirror. To find the focal length of the concave mirror, here I have considered sun as an object and a concave mirror I have taken. When sunlight falling on the concave mirror, that will reflect onto the screen. We see a sharp bright spot on the screen. The sharp bright spot is nothing but the image of sun. With the help of the scale, I am going to measure the distance between concave mirror and the image of the sun on the screen. The distance is called as focal length. In this experiment, I found the focal length of the concave mirror is 20 centimeters. Now, further continuing the lab activity, I have drawn a line on the table with a chalk and I placed a concave mirror on the stand. Now I am going to place the stand over the line such that its pole lies over the line exactly. Now draw two more lines parallel to the previous line such a way that the distance between any two successive lines is equals to focal length. And I have taken the positions are corresponded with the pole, focus and center of curvature. Now we need a candle and a screen for continuing the lab activity. Now onwards lab activity will continue in a dark room. And we have taken a burning candle as a object now. And it is kept at far beyond the center of curvature. By moving the screen in front of the concave mirror, we got a bright sharp image on the screen. Observe the image carefully and note down the characteristics of image. Now image position is in between focus and center of curvature. Image size is diminished and it is formed on the screen, so it is real and inverted image. Now for the third case, object is placed at the center of curvature C. When object is at center of curvature, image is also formed at center of curvature. So we have got a blur image in between F and C. So when we move the screen backward at C, you will get a image exactly on the center of curvature. Observe the image characteristics carefully. You can see a image is formed at center of curvature and the size of the image is same size as of the object and it is a real and inverted image. Now we repeat the activity by placing the object in between C and F and look for the image on the screen. You will get the image far beyond C. Image characteristics ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? Real, inverted, enlarged. Size is enlarged and it is formed on the screen and it is a real image. No doubts? Now we place the object in between pole and focus. The image won't form on the screen. So image will be formed behind the mirror and the size of the image is enlarged. And the nature of the image we seen is virtual and erect because it is not formed on the screen. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel PRK Physics 369.